What's up, man? What's up, everyone? So, for today's video, this is the best three of not tying. So, better watch. I will show you the best strategy in the way to tie a rope. Yeah, that's good, right? This is the number two. Better watch the proper way to make it so tight. So, just watch the full video, guys. And don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so you're amazing, guys. You watch it, my video. Though I'm not good in English, but you're there to watch it again. By the way, I'm amazing that some of country subscribe to my channel. You're amazing, guys. You're wonderful. You're so beautiful. Where you from? I love you all, man. This is the number three tricks. How to make a tie out a rope. Alright. Wow. It's amazing, guys. Oh, you can see that? Wonderful, man. Wow, that's good enough, This is the best three.